all you would do is push me away. I've tried and tried to get your attention multiple times, and you would never love me. You would never seem to ever pay attention to me. You would only push me away. I was left alone, by myself. This is too sad. Please don't watch me. Please cut the cameras.
Sir, we have a problem.
Very well then. Bring in the subject.
What's going on? Where am I?
You don't ask the questions. We do.
Okay. I'll do whatever you want.
Don't tell me. What is the dog doing?
I don't know.
Would you ever rat on me, little one?